In this video, I'm going to talk about why Instagram is the best short form platform for the affiliate marketing. I've done affiliate marketing for over a decade. When I first got into it, it took me a while to even recognize what it was. But basically, affiliate marketing is just promoting someone else's product for a commission. So when you sign up for an affiliate program, you get a unique affiliate link that when people click through your link and buy through your link, you get a commission. Okay. Hopefully that's simple enough. But once you sign up, you need a way to drive traffic to those links. When I first started, these short form platforms didn't exist. So you had to post on blogs, you had to look on forums and Facebook groups and all that. And it was very, very difficult if you didn't already have an established audience. Whereas now, with the introduction of short form content, anyone, regardless of their following, can reach a large audience. And it's really given a great opportunity to anyone getting into affiliate marketing to really, really take advantage of this opportunity. So let's first talk about TikTok. TikTok can be very good for affiliate marketing, but there's a couple of things holding you back. Number one is obviously this turmoil in the US of, is TikTok even going to be around? That seems to be settled now, but you need 1,000 followers just to be able to put a link in your bio. So that's the first hurdle that you have right there. And sometimes that's easier said than done. The second thing is when someone's, trying to show interest through TikTok, the DM process isn't open. It's kind of a closed system. Like you both have to be following each other. And that system is very clunky. It makes it very hard to reach out to new people, to share your links. And they don't want you taking people off of the platform. They really, really don't. So for that reason, it's a little more difficult. And then the terms of service, man, like I can remember like getting videos getting taken down because I'm driving in the car. Random things they're much more strict about what you talk about. If you talk about money at all, they seem to think that you're scamming people. So it makes it very difficult to keep trust on the platform, and they really make it hard. But don't give up on Instagram. If you got content, post it on Instagram. It's just more reach. It's free, right? So you should use it. It's just not the best approach. It's not better than Instagram, and I'll get into those reasons in a bit. If you're getting some value from this video, like and subscribe for the algorithm, please. And then let's move on to YouTube. So on YouTube can be great. YouTube can be better than Instagram in certain scenarios. So I'll tell you about that right now. Let's say you're posting to all three platforms. You're posting to YouTube. YouTube has a larger potential audience. Like they do numbers that are bigger than in Instagram a lot of times, just because I could be wrong, there's more users on the platform. And there's a deeper connection, and it can lead to the long form stuff. Like you can really build trust through YouTube a little bit better than the short form platforms. The problem is you don't have these automations that you can set up through Instagram. The DM, again, there's pretty much no DMs on YouTube. You find people's emails, but I think it limits you to like revealing 5 people's emails per day. So it's very clunky in that way. But they did add links to the profiles. So that does make it better. That does make it worth it. If you have the opportunity to post on YouTube, you should do that. You should post all 3. And you will get traffic from all 3. The problem is trying to lead people through your funnel. So the content is just the very top of the funnel. You're just, getting views. You're bringing people into your world, basically. And you're trying to stop them and trying to connect with them and get them to buy your stuff, right? Now, all the platforms are great for that, but leading them off the platform is where it becomes an issue with TikTok and YouTube. So yes, you can have the link in the bio, but links in the bio are difficult because several reasons. Number one, they kind of give you a warning now a lot of times if you're leading people off the platform, like, hey, this may or may not be safe, stuff like that. Sometimes they freeze. I've seen that a lot, especially on TikTok. Like you go to click a link and it just freezes on you, like it doesn't even let you go to the place you're trying to go. And then you get to Instagram. The reason Instagram is the best is, number one, you can set up automations. You can say comment ready and I'll send you a free guide, something like that. You set up an automation through ManyChat, ManyChat. You set up the automation to automatically respond to their posts and DM them a link to whatever you're trying to sell, whether it's a guide or whether it's a course, whatever you need. Now you've gained trust. You've started to lead them through the funnel, right? So not just the top of funnel, they got onto your video, but next they commented on your video, you responded to that comment, and then you sent them a DM completely automated, right? So you're able to take advantage of that content that you posted to the fullest, right? And to lead them into your world. So now you sent them a DM, and then they can click through and get your guide, build a relationship with you, go to your long form YouTube content, or just buy your thing, okay? And you're able to match the right audience with the right product and really take advantage of the traffic that you're bringing with the views. So that's why Instagram is by far the best platform. You get to have DM conversations, you get to reply to comments, you get to set up automations, and they're much less strict about the content that you're posting, right? You can speak about affiliate marketing and making money online, and they're not just going to automatically ban you or strike your content. They're much more lenient about that as the time of this video. I don't know what's going to happen in the future whenever you're watching this, but as of right now, Instagram is by far the best platform to gain traffic to your affiliate links. Now, if you're with me this far, please remember to like and comment for the algorithm, like and subscribe. But I'm going to share with you the best affiliate program that you can possibly do. The best affiliate program is to help me promote my school group, okay? I give 50% reoccurring commissions. There is no other affiliate program that gives you that, and they're certainly not going to teach you how to promote the link like I do. So in my school group, I teach you exactly what to do to gain traffic in affiliate marketing using Instagram to the best of your abilities, the viral video framework, video editing tutorial, how to reach the right audience, and how to automate the entire process so that they actually buy what you're trying to offer, which I hope is my school group, because you recognize that it's the best affiliate offer in existence. Okay, they say no one's coming to save you, but I'm here to work with you, and I have a vested interest in your success. So you join the group, you become an affiliate automatically. All link clicks are automatically tracked and paid out directly to you with monthly reoccurring commissions. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful opportunity, and I look forward to working with you. Check the link in the description if you're interested in signing up.